Hey guys, how's it going? You're joining me today on a journey through the craziest traffic I've been in a very long time. I am actually going to go get some custom lighting done. I don't know if custom is the right word, but I guess it makes sense. I'm going to get some flashing third brake lights and reverse lights. So looking forward to that. My friend has those done. I don't think I've shown a clip on here before, but they look really cool. I hope I'll show you guys some clips of it when it's done. And I'll see what else I can get together for this weekend. Catch you guys around. Hey guys, thanks for joining me in my garage. So we just got back from, look at all this crap. Oh my God. We just got back from getting those lights done. I can't show them to you yet. I'm still waiting for my fiance to get home, and then I'll be able to show you guys what they look like, since I can't step on the brake and also be outside filming. But should look really cool. Got the idea from my friend who also has the same car. His name is Dylan. If you're watching, Dylan, thank you. They look great. Looking forward to showing you guys that. But other than that, I got a couple other things to show you guys inside the house as well. Oh my goodness, I actually forgot to talk about what I wanted to talk about. And the reason I was starting in the garage is also because of my friend Dylan. He just sold me this pressure washer. So that was really cool. I've never had one before, so I just tried to learn how to use it and stuff. So I was able to, you can't tell yet because it's not dry, but I was able to, there was a lot of mud on the floors. So I cleaned up the floor of the garage a lot. I was here for like an hour just squirting away, you know what I'm saying? So that's a lot nicer now. When it dries up, it should be a little bit cleaner. There was a lot of mud just because of all the new construction going on outside. But I was able to get that out of here. Look at this. It's not that muddy, just a little, you know, dusty. All right, let's start off with this really cool Hot Wheels set that I just got. Exotic Envy, I think it was like collection 5 or something like that. But we got some really cool cars in here. There's like an old Alfa Romeo. I can't remember the actual type, but it was their race car back in the day. We got sorry, I'm interrupting myself. We've got a McLaren Speedtail. We got a Koenigsegg Agera RS. We've got a Bugatti EB110. And I don't know if this is the STO specifically or if this is their race car, but the Lamborghini Huracan with some sort of performance kit on it. It looks really cool. It comes like in a little, you know, you saw shipping crate. But yeah, this is these are all premiums as well. So actually, can I take them out of here really easily? It's fighting with me. Hold on, give me a second. All right, so it didn't want to come out very easily, but I got them all lined up here. So this is actually Alfa Romeo 33 Stradale. I did not know that name at all. I've never really seen this car before, but I thought it was really cool because I love Italian cars, of course. So here are the rest of them. They look really cool. What I was saying is that they're all premium. So they have like rubber tires. You know, they got the metal bottom. I'm pretty sure it's metal. Hold on, let's see. Yeah, it looks like metal. So that's really cool. This was, I think around 45 bucks on the Hot Wheels website. So I'm glad I was able to find it. I'm pretty sure they are in stores, but you know, scalpers are going to get them right away. So I'm glad I was able to find these. It's cool having premium versions of all these cars. You know, I have the regular, like, you know, $1 version of the Speedtail in this color, but this is a lot cooler, a lot more details. Yeah, you can see the tailpipe details and everything. So that's cool. Just wanted to show that because I'm a nerd. You know me. All right, so if you'll join me here by the TV, you can see I got an actual model of the Elantra and TCR. I think it stands for Touring Cup Race. I don't really know what the R stands for. I think it's just for, you know, whatever. The race managers wanted to make it have an R because it's a race or whatever. But either way, this is the one from, I think, yeah, it says 2021. We did win the TCR Cup in 2022. So I didn't really care, though. I thought they all looked kind of very similar. So it was cool to get, you know, just a model of the race car version of my car. And actually this thing comes off very easily. So I can just like show you a little bit closer. It feels focused. It's focusing on the wrong things here. Is it too close? Is that the issue? Yeah. But I don't know. There it is. I thought it was really cool. And you can see around the back. Let's see. What do we got? Yeah. And you can see on the inside a little bit. But there it is. This was like 35 bucks before shipping. So I thought it was a pretty good price, especially, you know, not too detailed, but detailed enough so you could kind of look at it and appreciate it. And that's kind of what I wanted. So there you go. That's the things I wanted to show you. All right, so here's the car. Let's see the lights. I hope Autumn doesn't leave me hanging here. All right. So there's the, oh my God. That looks so good. What? Oh, we're good, Autumn. That was good. Thank you. Well, it was a lot brighter than I thought. Jesus. Well, all right, guys. So Dylan just texted me an invite-only car event, and apparently it's right next to my house. It's like 5 minutes away. So I figured I might as well go check it out and see what's up. It's apparently pretty far from him, so I don't think he'll actually make it. So it's funny, the person that invited me won't be showing up, but I will. So I guess all I have to say is thank you, Dylan. I guess this is a Dylan special today. It's 3 things I'm thanking him for. So yeah, let's see what's going on over there. Let's see where the next spot is. Let's see if I'm gonna continue driving over there, and if not, that might be it for today. I have some fun stuff planned for tomorrow, but I think that'll be its own video. I don't want to make the mistake of making another 25-minute video again, so I might just cut it off here. It's been a good one, so let's see what they got. Let's see what they're cooking. Well, okay, so we made it, and it seems there's a lot of stuff here, so I'll film some of it. Well, first of all, there's this huge RV, which is really funny. The meat is just happening around it. Also, when I said a lot, I guess I meant more than a small meat. I don't know. Medium? Sure. All right, so I'm parked over there, as you can see. And man, over here is my dream daily, dude. An RS3, they're so sick. I hope they go down in price, man, because that would be such an awesome upgrade. We'll see though. I'm torn between that and an Audi S5. They're both really cool, but I think the S5 is a little bit cheaper and a little bit bigger, so kind of nicer for me, honestly. We'll see though. I just got this car, so I shouldn't be thinking about that. Okay, so I guess people are just parking in the main Safeway lot. I don't know, but there's a couple fellows over there, you know. So I'm gonna be taking a peek around here. Definitely will be doing no provocative driving at all, but yeah, just taking a look at shit. Okay, wow, it's like actually really full this way. I thought this would be a smaller meet, since I was led to believe that it is invite only, but maybe it's not, and I'm just misunderstanding things. But there's definitely a lot of cars here. Man, so that was it. They ended up calling a second spot. It was really far east, so I did not want to go, especially since this was already right next to my house. Might as well just go home, play a little bit of Overwatch, you know what I'm saying, watch a show, you know, chill. Maybe tomorrow we'll get back at it with the car stuff, but that's it for today. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, funny story. As we were leaving, there were a couple cop cars, you know, and like everybody was going fast or whatever. And 2 guys in a row popped a U-turn and drifted the U-turn right next to me. And there was a cop car behind them, so they both got pulled over. That was really funny. I'm a little sad I wasn't recording, but you know what? Whatever. that was kind of crazy, but all right. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. What did ChatGPT say? They said leave a like, comment. I don't know. Comment. You know, the Formula One race is coming up on Sunday. Who's your favorite Formula One team? I don't know. I think that's it, man. Have a good day.